à tous les gars, c'est Amnesia. Aujourd'hui on se retrouve pour une nouvelle vidéo. J'espère que vous allez bien, en tout cas les gars, moi ça va super. Donc aujourd'hui la vidéo ça va porter donc sur la prédiction des TOTS, donc la TOTS BPL. Donc si vous comprenez pas trop le principe, je vous invite à aller voir ma vidéo numéro 8, donc qui est disponible sur la chaîne. Donc normalement je devais le faire donc tout simplement avec un ami à moi, tout simplement. On devait parler tout simplement, on va dire entre guillemets en direct, faire un petit débat, tout ça sur les joueurs sur lesquels on n'était pas trop d'accord, etc. Sauf que là en fait toute la vidéo en fait était faite, mais quand j'ai écouté à la fin, après avoir fait le rendu, quand j'ai écouté, il y avait de l'écho. Donc c'était un travail entre guillemets bâclé. Donc moi je préfère on va dire vous refaire la petite vidéo là. J'ai juste vite fait vous dire l'équipe comme ça. Les prochaines vidéos, vous inquiétez pas, là on sera vraiment en live, on sera vraiment dans le débat. Normalement donc le problème de l'écho sera modifié, c'était une petite erreur technique, hein, y a rien de grave. Donc en fond aussi vous allez avoir donc un petit match que j'ai tourné avec un ami à moi, donc Nosbon. Donc normalement qui lui sera présent pour la prochaine TOTS, pour la TOTS Bundesliga, normalement ce sera lui qui sera entre guillemets mon invité. Parce que bon, je pense que là l'équipe, vu que du coup il n'y a pas de débat, elle va être assez rapide à annoncer. Du coup, on va dire jusqu'à ce que le match se termine, vous aurez un petit peu de musique, un petit peu de, voilà, histoire que ce soit assez plaisant quand même pour vous. Donc pour cette TOTS BPL, donc on a choisi un dispositif, on a choisi un 4-4-2. Donc on a choisi au cage David Derrea, en défense centrale Laurent Koscielny, John Terry. À droite, Nathanael Klein, à gauche, Felipe Luis. Au milieu, Santi Cazorla, Fabregas. À droite, Alexis Sanchez, à gauche, Eden Hazard. En buteur, Diego Costa et Kun Agüero. Ensuite, donc dans les remplaçants et dans les réservistes, on a Harry Kane, Yannick Bolasie, Charlie Austin, David Silva, Bertrand, donc un défenseur gauche de Southampton, il me semble. On a Victor Wanyama, on a José Fonte, également défenseur central, cette fois-ci de Southampton, Gary Cahill, Philippe Coutinho, Thibaut Courtois, Leighton Baines et enfin Christian Eriksen. Donc si vous, dans les commentaires, vous trouvez qu'on a oublié des joueurs, ou alors vous préfériez imaginons vous préférez qu'il y ait un joueur qui soit titulaire plutôt que réserviste, vous nous le dites. On envisagera les possibilités, hein, on s'est certainement trompé, puisque ça m'étonnerait quand même qu'on ait 100% de réussite niveau prédiction. Donc voilà, si vous avez des petites idées, ou vous pensez qu'on a oublié quelques petits joueurs, n'hésitez pas à nous dire ça dans les commentaires. Donc moi les amis, je vais vous laisser ici, je vais vous laisser avec la musique. Donc c'était Amnesia, si la vidéo t'a plu, n'hésite pas à laisser un j'aime, un commentaire, à t'abonner, à partager cette vidéo à tes amis, à ta famille. Je remercie au passage Samuel d'avoir fait cette vidéo avec moi, même si là c'était pas du live, merci quand même mec. Et je vous dis à la prochaine les gens, prenez soin de vous, c'était Amnesia, peace.
Man, this goes out to anybody who ever lost someone, or anybody who ever had like a big motivation to do something in life. Man, don't let anybody get in your way. Do what you want to do. I mean, people laugh when I said I was gonna be a rapper. Look at me now. JD, get 'em.
Headed for the top, and we never coming back down. Taking hip hop and we picking up the sundown. Came from nothing like straight out of ghost town. 3, 2, 1, now you see us on the countdown. Headed for the top, and we never coming back down. Taking hip hop and we picking up the sundown. Came from nothing like straight out of ghost town. 3, 2, 1, now you see us on the countdown.
Got a house in the mountains, so I'm climbing up the countdown. People blowing up my phone. Rose, where's my shout out? Goddamn, quiet down, loud mouse. I gotta go buy some shoes that aren't even out now. Hard like Viagra, flows like Niagara. Los running right past you. Sorry, son, I might laugh. I'm serious as fuck. This is no Happy Gilmore. I'm about to shut the game down. Look out on your billboards. Almost had a couple kids, had to get my mind right. Homie, this is my mic. My choice is my life. Let the Kush limelight unbrighten my eyesight. Shine right. Watch back from London. Sick time right. Kept it 100 with my mask for the thugs. Had everybody in a good mood in the club. Like he's a white dude and everybody showing love. Death threats on my phone and I still don't give a fuck. So I'm
Headed for the top, and we never coming back down. Taking hip hop and we picking up the sundown. Came from
the slack now. Thanks for the song, you're welcome on the doormat now. So just roll up 1-5, dance, clap now. Horns in the background, bass, hi-hat now. And like the breaststroke, I will never back down. Stand up, guys, get dropped, lay back down. I do it for the struggle, I do it for the trap house. Do it for St. Louis, my family fans, frat house. So ask yourself, is Los the shit like manure yet? Sold out shows, he ain't even on tour yet. Coming for the charts, this is real 3, 2, 1. Snipe on top, but feel free to run. Shit, life had a countdown, took too many meds. Heart stopped beating, big rush to the head. I woke up dazed in that hospital bed. Ripped the IV off my chest, man, it's time to get some bread. Cause I'm
Headed for the top and we never coming back down. Taking hip hop and we picking up the slack now. Came from nothing like straight out of ghost town. 3, 2, 1, now you see us on the countdown. Headed for the top and we never coming back down. Taking hip hop and we picking up the slack now. Came from nothing like straight out of ghost town. 3, 2, 1, now you see us on the countdown.
I don't know where you're going or when you're coming home. I left the keys under
That's just how it goes.
to our front door.
Different city
For
every
one
day.
more chance to hold you close. I don't know where you're going.
Let's go.
Just get your ass back home.
I'm trying, baby. Do you think I'd wanna go? And I like to be there with you, but you see, I'm on the road. Don't worry, I'm doing my thing. Killing stages, I run this tour from the road to the show to the after party. But when it's over, I'm done, I'm yours. I promise, girl. When I'm there, I swear I'm staying. We can do it 5 times a day. Yeah, they told me we're praying. But I had to call, cause I need to let you know the tour ain't over, we had one more show. Well, I knew you'd say that, yeah baby, you ain't never gonna get this. I go from the bus to the stage, but you don't like me, this young and reckless, young and stupid, I get this. That's what it is when I'm on my grind, where I spend my time never looking for trouble, but it seems that it's all I find. You know that I get you, but this is who I am, and I'll see you soon, I know you don't give a damn. Just know that I hate the fact that you're alone. That's why I'm gonna get my ass back home.
Where you going? Or when you're coming home? I left the keys under to our front door. For one more chance to hold you close. I don't know where you're going. Just get your ass back home.
I don't know where I'm going either, but that's what makes it perfect. Cause when we get wherever there is, you know it'll be worth it. I'm picturing bright signs, everything lit up in neon, taking me beyond. Someone like you, like I was rocking the stage with Leon. King without a crown, a life without a plan. Another hitch in the story, ride the road without a van. That's that breakdown, but I still see you in the rear view. And when the road gets quiet, I feel like I can hear you. Bring that ass back. Next flight out, catch that. Like old times, flashback. Feel inspired, maybe past that. Suited up like a hazmat. While I running in the lane like a halfback. With a beat and a mic in the knapsack. That's all we ever needed to smash tracks. System overload, cross state lines, show to show. Yeah, and I hope you know, wherever we go, we gon' run the globe. See, I took it to the road. Now it's time to start bringing it back. Exactly the way the key to your heart was, sitting under the mat. Your ass back home. I know you don't like it when I'm out here living on the road, and I can't wait to get back there, yeah. But you at home, gonna be like winning the lottery when I get you on top of me. Yeah, wish I could let you know. I wanna stop time, make the hand slow. Do you see the art? That's the plan, though. So I gotta leave you, baby. So just wait goodbye once the band go.
I don't know where you going. Or when you're coming home, I don't know where you're going or when you're coming home. I left the keys and I'm ready to work from for one more chance to hold you close. I don't know where you're going. Just get your ass back home.
Let me see you put 'em up. Reach the sky, touch the stars up above. Cause it's one time for the underdog. One time for the underdog. You got the world on your team, even if that ain't what it seems. It's one time for the underdog. One time for the
young nigga
underdog.
with a dollar and a dream, and these Nikes on my feet, trying to stay about the streets. So I'm rhyming, pulling 187s all on these beats, instead of on the concrete, submitting my future while they were focused on what they cheap. But shit, I'm like a cheap head honcho. Tell me that it's impossible, I give it to you pronto. Been working all these late nights and these early mornings like Alonzo. So one day they'll be calling me great, just call me Gonzo. But I'm never acting, nor is anybody pulling strings. Everything I have came from sacrificing everything. I traded working 9 to 5 for the minimum for working non-stop, so my life be like a cinema screen. But in the end, I wouldn't have it any other way. Got on my knees and for this rap to work is what I prayed. And that was happening, crunching numbers like Captain, a serial killer, compelling listeners with these fashionable words. Never acting my verbs, but truly fashion to serve not only masses but curves, not just the hood but the birds. Know you hear it every time I grace the mic, then I give it to God, feeling blinded by the lights in this song.
Let me see you put 'em up. Reach the sky, touch the stars up above. Cause it's one time for the underdog. One time for the underdog. You got the world on your team, even if that ain't what it seems. It's one time for the underdog. One time for the underdog.
20-year-old dreaming of whipping Monte Carlos and gold jewelry, looking like I came from El Dorado. Pick up the pen and pad, instead of spitting gin and vag, I'm painting pictures with my words, just call me Young Picasso. These haters only gas me up and then I mash the throttle. Being strict, think it's safe to say should drop the bottle, cause when I'm spitting it's proof and truth is hard to swallow. When rappers losing their heads, that's word to Sleepy Hollow. Nowadays they tryna flex, Johnny Bravo, and I'll be Rocky in his second fight against Apollo. Underdog, but you see I won the war. Asking me if I could spit is asking me to raise the bar. I've been in this place before, matter of fact most of my life. They told me that I would fail, die before I prove them right. Pinning verses on my lunch bag, now I'm doing shows. Lady Luck blew me a kiss, now I'm a prince, never a toad. Bet your bottom, I'm the greatest, that's on everything I own. And though it isn't much, I want the world like Al Capone. I'm coming for the glory, this is sermon to the masses. The kid you shitted on is telling you to wipe his ass.
Let me see you put 'em up. Reach the sky, touch the stars up above. Cause it's one time for the underdog. One time for the underdog. You got the world on your team, even if that ain't what it seems. It's one time for the underdog. One time for